I didn't bring the slime with me. The slime just came. I followed the slime. I'm trying to help you with the slime, you ungrateful, wrinkly-faced, glasses-wearing, shell-backed turtle twit. Excuse you? Quit trying to lick my ball. Why does this just get so much worse the further we go along with it? Hey there, observation team. Test subject 667 here. Welcome to my habitat. And welcome back to What the Golf. Yep, we are back to this game. It's probably the first long-played game I did on the channel, and that was years ago. Well, they've done a lot of updates to it. It's been a long time since I've been here. I'm really excited to get back in here. So let's hop into What the Golf and smack our balls around. Yeah, never mind. Let's get into it. Hi, you. I don't remember anything like this before. We got bonus. We got new episodes. Oh, we got the music coming. And we've got this cat. A little exclamation point. What happens if I bump into you? Put cats in the... Did you see they put cats in that room? Whatever that room is. Oh, well, this thing is shining. And we've got a daily course. Well, you know what? Let's start off with the daily course. I'll check out the cats in a moment. I had no idea what... Okay, I'm a bicycle. I just fell over. Oh, we're jumping. We're jumping. No! We fell off. Okay, let's, oh, no! Alright, gotta, oh, wow. Oh, it's one of these. No, no! Okay, drive, and do not fall. Whee! Massive Monday, yay! Okay, we were a bike and we went over a course that it was Monday. Oh, we have Olympic events. Okay. Well, let's so I've got to jump over that. No, I don't. Okay. So I did not have to jump over that. I have to take away your pads. Okay. What's this? Oh, this must be the obligatory Olympic advertising. The toothbrush and the fruit. So remember, eat fruit and brush your teeth. Oh, cheering crowd. What if I get you in the crowd? Oh, I knocked them over. Oh, they all fell down. Too bad. No! Hey, take that. Eat it. Oh, I can't get it into the crowd. They're no fun. Now I'm bowling on the moon. Alright, so let's knock over some pins. Oh, okay. So I can play with the orbit too. Okay. We missed. Stop missing. That was hardly a strike. It took several tries. Okay. Oh, I'm going to be chucking the hole, am I? Oh, wait. I know that the same people who made this made Donut Country, and that was an awesome game. I think we're gonna have to Donut Country this. Yeah, we gotta use it to suck up the things. Come here, cats. You're coming with me. Oh, yes, I do have to, because in order to make the hole get big enough to swallow the house, I have to get it to swallow other things. We may not be able to get the house yet, but we can get the doghouse. Bye! Okay, let's, well, we can move the house around. Let's grab the car. Hey, car. Come on. Get down the hole, car. Alright, we can probably get the garage. Yeah, just get the garage and then the house. Yay! Okay. Do I have to avoid the hole? Yeah, apparently I do. Alright. Is that hole gonna come after? Wait a minute here. Alright. And now the hole is gonna go in a direction. And it's gonna swallow that up, I knew it. Okay. So, let's try just getting the ball past the hole first. And trying to use the barn to stop the flag from going too far. Wait a minute, I hit the flag. Oh. Massive confusion. I didn't quite hit the flag, that's what. And, what's this? Oh! Oh, I get a reward! Or something. Maybe. Let's... so I can turn him around. Oh, I get to customize this. I get a horse. Oh, pride flag. What? Oh, I like him with an umbrella on his head. We'll go with that. Let's see what we've got. For limited time only, play the brand new cat levels. Okay, well here we are, International Cat Day. Let's play the brand new cat levels. I want to do it. Okay, well I've got a cat. I gotta smack the cat, probably. I don't want to smack a cat. Well, maybe we just pretend we don't smack the cat and it just boings on its own, as cats do. So, yeah, I guess we just journey along. Oh, the doggies don't want us to journey along, but I want to journey along. What? All right, so I gotta avoid the doggy pits. Because if I don't, these mean puppy dogs will knock me off a cliff. Don't come anywhere near me, you mean doggo. I don't care about you and your hot dog stand. You can fall over. I can cause chaos with your hot dog stand. Why aren't you hot dogs going after the other hot dogs? Well, I guess it's not meant to make sense. Oh, hit the pole! A bone to... Yeah, I'll bet. Got a bone to pick with those stupid dogs. Alright, now, are these porthole boxes? They are! Okay. What about you? Are you going to cause me problems? I guess not. Portal box! I love it. I love everything about it. Teleportation. Oh, really? Really? Teleportate. Okay. Let's go! Thankfully, there were boxes in the way to prevent me from falling off the cliff. Thank goodness for boxes. Every cat's friend. Oh. Okay, I seem to recall other levels with vases. If this thing breaks, I lose. Oh my gosh! And the cats are trying to wreck the vase. No! 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 That Roomba would have... and it broke anyway. Perfectly fine. Oh no. Oh, these cats are gonna wreck my stuff. No, no, no. Aw. Okay, so this is one I've got to guide like crazy. Oh no, oh no, no! Get out of my way, you stupid cats. I hate all of you, and you are jerks. Get away from my vase. I don't want you to break it. I want to. No! 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 Get the catastrophe. Yeah, I'll bet. Am I going to guide this cat with a laser light? Do I have to use the laser light? Oh my god! Oh, I love it! 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 Everything about it! I'm using the laser light with golfing controls. I can't touch this. Oh my gosh! That was clever. Okay, so. Alright, so I gotta get. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, don't get hit by the clubs. Let's line ourselves up right there. Go, 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 go. But we all know that all cats are born anarchists. So screw you and your rules. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Well, apparently I fly much higher than that other cat. This is such a cool level. This is super neat. Okay, let's try to get to the other fan to fly even higher. Flying high. Oh, this is so neat. I guess the only reason why this is supposed to be like no cats is because it's dangerous. But you know what? Screw your rules and screw your dangers. We are cat, and therefore we will not do what you tell us to. We will instead flop around as this immobile lump, and the only part of us that actually moves, except for when I pitch you in a direction, is your tail. Okay, fine, perfect, wonderful. Okay, let's keep going. All right, can we make this jump? Let's get a little closer. Make the jump! Yay! All right, get to that pole. Trash cans! Yay, we did it! And what do we get in the box? We got the cat. We got the cat. Cat on a Roomba. Oh, cat on a Roomba is gonna collect things. Okay. I like it. I love it. I love everything about it. You know, something about slime time just makes me wanna. You know, we're going there. That's where we're gonna go. Do not enter? Oh, you know I'm not gonna do what you tell me. Here we go! Do 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 do. Ooh, slime. Muck. What the golf? Finally, we have it under control, do you? This quarantine zone. Okay. Oh, oops. I guess you don't have it under control anymore. Does that desk have arms? What have you done? I have wrecked your stuff. Get used to it. I am a ball of pure chaos. I'll knock over your sides. You're not the boss of me. I go where I want, for I am boss. What the heck was that? What? I agree, what? Okay, so everything is covered with glop. Now, where did all this glop come from? Excuse me? I they seem to be creating, or at least stimulating, the life cycle of strange life forms. You know what? Let's go ahead. Do it. Be things that you are going to be. I have no problem with that. Watch it. Oh, I see. This glop is making inanimate objects animate. That's why getting the glop on the piece of paper has it growing arms. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Error. Is that so? Well, what happens now? Oh, I broke it. Hi! Oh. Oh, that's interesting. So I gotta catch him. I gotta catch him. This vase will break if it hits rocks, but what happens if it gets slime? Oh, no. The rocks move. So if I... Ha ha ha! If I move them in the direction they were... A vaseling. Oh no. What happens to it? Okay, so I gotta move it in the direction of where the rocks. Short double. Goop. Ah, what? No, 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 no. Oh, you were about to upset me. Stepping stones. Well, step on your own stones and see how you like them. Alright. Oh, so they keep moving now. Now, let's roll. Roll through. Don't, no, no! Don't roll off the cliff. No, rolling off cliffs. Rolling off cliffs is not good for anybody's health. Okay, okay, we're in this position. Okay, let's go. Don't touch the rocks. Don't touch the rocks. Touch the pole. Touch the pole. This just gets worse and worse, doesn't it? I'm not a vase anymore. I'm a lamp. So hopefully I can't break. What the heck was that? Seriously, what the heck was that? Okay. That's interesting. Uh-oh. Wait, what? Okay, let's get out of the way before it tries to take me away. Alright, I'm past it now. Carpet diem? Really? I had forgotten about the puns. Am I gonna have to platform this? I'm seriously gonna have to platform this. Okay, okay. Alright, well, I'm on the first one. I'm on the second one. Okay, that was cleverly put together. That was really neat. I mean, when they're adding all of these elements, just think of what someone might come up with Rugged. Just think of what someone might come up with for the level editor. I mean, this has so much potential. Come here, you. Hey, get back. Get back here. Get. Come here. Rug off. You watch yourself, buddy. Am I taking the whole thing? The TV, the cat, the couch? Oh, I am. Okay, so I need to avoid. Alright. I need to avoid the chemicals. I'm not a good driver of flying carpets. But if I can... How did I hit that? That is some horse hockey. That is some horse hockey. We're not even playing with horses or hockey. Cat laugh. A whole new rug. No, not more vases. Oh, I'm not the vases. I'm the rock. You know what? Screw you and your vases. This is where I get revenge on those stupid vases. Break, all of you vases. Break your faces and your vases. And I am a rock with little feet. Like, what? Wait, that doesn't win it? Okay, I broke the whole... Ah, it wasn't the right one. Fooled you once. You did. So, what am I? I'm the table, I'm guessing. What the? Okay. So we just get it started. Okay. Interesting. So we slow it down. Come on. The pole. Turntable. Okay, that's cute. Now, avoid the... Did I actually release the button to send you in that direction? I did not. Okay, that was my fault. Okay, so... let's keep going in this direction. No, no. No, no. Okay, go. I did not send you in that direction. Now you little... Look, you little piece of chipboard. You are going to go in the direction I send you. You are not going the direction that I... Now, I'm gonna really slap you. I'm going to overturn you. I am going to send you to a WWE ring, and I am going to let the Dudleys put several wrestlers through you. You will never recover. Now, just hit the pole. The tables have turned. Yes, they have. I bet you're the one that's going to run away. Come here. Nope, you went down the hole. Do you want to say anything to me if I hit you? Who let that thing out again? Wait, again? Who let that thing out again? You mean that thing was loose and you had, Okay, fair enough. Bye, angry computer. What? I've always been alive. Oh, I see. You were not animated by the slime. Okay, so what happens now? This looks entirely too normal. What's going to happen with that house? Okay. So, yeah, it grabbed me and it spat me out of a house trap. Really? Okay, well, I guess that's what we're going to be dealing with now. Am I going to be, platforming? I am. Okay, don't fall off. Alright. This is interesting. How's it go? Oh, the puns! The puns! Wait, okay. We're playing soccer and the traffic cones. Huh? Alright. And the hot dogs are alive now. Okay. Is anything going to try to stop me? Apparently the fences are gonna try to stop me now. Touch. Don't touch the fences. Alright. Defense. I should have known it would be something like that. Okay. What? I can't even if the fences touch me, I go away? Well, that's kind of boo-hock. Offense. I was offended, apparently. What? What the heck? So now I am truly the football. Well, I'll kick all of you stupid cones out of my way. Feetsball, that's what you are. Okay. And I guess we're gonna have to follow after that slimy lump. I'm gonna get you, slimy lump. Hey, what have you got to say? This is fine. Oh, because memes. Because memes. Gotta go with the memes. Everything's on fire. This is fine. Yep. Okay. So what are we... Okay, we have slimy office equipment now. Oh, I got... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. The printer, the copy machine is mad. It's... Oh. And it's got to avoid all obstacles. Okay, fine. Avoid the obstacles. Avoid obstacles. Paper jam. Okay. Oh. Oh, do scissors beat printer in that game? Oh no! Oh, okay. So I'm a paper, and I need to avoid getting cut. Alright. I got you, piece of paper. It must suck not having any legs to walk with. And your flailing arms don't seem to do you any good either. Oh, you were nearly clipped. Okay. But looks like you only hit me. Run away from me, rocks, for I am paper. Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. Scissors beats paper. Paper beats... Okay, that makes sense now. That's clever. That's clever. Gotta hand it to you. That is clever. What do we got here? I seem to recall in the original we had stealth levels. I'm wondering if that's what we're dealing with here. Yeah, we're totally got stealth levels. Alright. So. Gotta not get caught in the light. I see. It's okay to be in the light as long as I'm not moving while I'm in the light. Okay, nice. Ha ha ha! I'm a sneaky lump! Don't leaf me. Oh, I don't like that. So, yeah, if it moves, or if it gets caught in the light, it's dead. And of course, the club could smack me. past the club. Don't get in the light. Don't get in the light or you will be suffering from laser death. Big brothers, huh? What is this and why am I it? Oh! I'm the spotlight now. And I can blast things. I like... Oh. Okay. So... Oh, so it's hiding and I have to blast it. I have to find where it is. Alright. I'm gonna find it. Oh, I see you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got it. Oh, I love it. I love it. That was cleverly put together. Okay. Open up. I'm gonna get you. Oh, your giggly butt's gonna keep giggling along, but I'm gonna get you. Once I get into this thing. Alright, I'm coming after you. So, well, at least the lights are on here. So, is the ball gonna go or am I gonna go? Neither. I've got a floppy club. It seems to be a snake. Beware of snake. Do not step on snake. Delicious, huh? I'm gonna slither. I'm totally gonna slither. Oh, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat things. Okay. Nom nom nom. It was huge. Gross. Why did you do that? What do you mean, why did I do that? Or were you even talking to me? Were you talking to the pinball machine? What slime? I'm busy. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is this a reference to Frogger? Oh, this is totally a reference to Frogger. Oh, that's so cool! Oh, this is bringing me back to my old Commodore days. I'm playing Frogger on the Commodore. I hadn't even thought of that game in so long. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Frog? Indeed, frog. We gotta go down to Turlet. The broken Turlet. Oh, you seem to be in a nice place. You say anything? What are you doing out here? I don't know. I was following a giant lump of muck. What are you doing? I didn't bring the slime with me. The slime just came. I followed the slime. I'm trying to help you with the slime, you ungrateful, wrinkly-faced, glasses-wearing, shell-backed turtle twit. Excuse you? Quit trying to lick my ball. Why does this just get so much worse the further we go along with it? Camping. Really? Out of curiosity, what happens if the tongue gets me? Or is there any possibility of a tongue getting me? Oh! It sends me away. Alright, so we just gotta wait for... There we go. And knock over that to slow down my momentum. Bush! Is its name George? Oh, I can't get up there. Ah, I have to get it to toss me around. Okay. Okay, interesting. Alright. That is cool. It's kind of cool. Ambush. Oh man. Alright, so I gotta get these guys to toss me around. And okay. So toss me around, he'll toss me over there. And I've got to hit that bush and kind of chain reaction it. Okay. That's an interesting mechanic. On head. Now what? Okay, I levitate. Blanket state, huh? Alright, so if I go on a blanket, I rise. So I guess I just go from blanket to blanket, rising with the song of levitation. Picnic. Okay. Well, will this make me rise? It will. It kind of... I got it. It's not always easy to figure out where exactly I will... Okay, that was unexpected. Tea time. Yeah. Well, apparently not all blankets can sing. Yeah, hi, dude. I'm afraid that all of your attempts to clean up are gonna be futile. I've never seen this much slime before. Me neither. And, we're gonna find out what's going on. Oh. Oh, no. Leave me alone. Leave my ball alone. Thank you. Don't try to grab my ball. Hi, eyes. Oh, I remember you. Or at least I remember some eyes that were similar. So sorry to bump into your eyes. It's your turn. I got it last week. Well, maybe you can give me... I'm not touching that thing. How did it even get out? Okay. Come here. Alright. Oh boy. Okay, am I gonna play soccer with you? Oh dear. So I gotta travel course. And I gotta travel along the slippy slime. You stones have got big old donks. Oh, this is a boss battle. Oh, no! I don't like that. I'm just glad I didn't fall. No, I don't like it. I don't like anything about that. No. This is tricky. Okay. Try to avoid the slipstreams. I didn't avoid the slipstream. I'm gonna fall. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you and your big butt. Alright. So, I've got to avoid that. Alright. Alright. No. Oh, oh, okay, I can go up the... Yeah, thankfully the rock... Alright, I made that. Alright, I made it to there. Now what's next? Oh, I don't like it. I don't want it. Alright. Hop. Try to get over this way. No. Oh. Alright. We need not to... Oh, no. No! Okay. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Eat a bomb. Eat bomb. Ha-ha! Okay, we know how to deal with you now. Eat a bomb. Ha-ha! Oh, we're gonna get you. Get bombed. Get bombed. Why don't you die? Please die. I know you're getting smaller. The bombing must have some... Yeah! It was having an effect. You got bombed on. Let's claim our victory. Yay! You were playing even though we told you not to. Well, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed coming back to this game. It was really great. And I'd like to come back here again. So, yeah. So, I mean, if you're enjoying it just as much as I'm enjoying it, leave me comments. Give me a like. Let me know. This is the only way I get to communicate with y'all. Well, that's all for now for What the Golf. So much fun, so many references, so many horrible puns. So if you enjoyed it as much as I did, please leave me a like and let me know. That really helps the channel. If you have a comment about this experiment or any other experiment I might do in the future, or just know of any more games that start out perfectly normally and go in completely random directions, leave that below too. Dr. Redenboden reads them, and he uses them to decide on what to do to me next, so send me some recommendations. If you want to join our regular observation team, and we'd love to have you, hit that big red subscribe button. And if you want to try out this experiment for yourself, would always recommend this one. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you in the next experiment. Farewell.